Welcome to Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing mean deviation. In the mean deviation, you can see here, mean deviation is defined as the average of the sum of the absolute values of deviation from any arbitrary values, mean, median, and mode. It is often suggested to calculate it from the median. So, mean deviation is actually a average of the sum of the absolute values, and sum of the absolute means this is the average. So, we are actually finding the average of the absolute value. This is the absolute value, and a can be mean, median, and mode. So for this is called mean deviation. And the quantity xi minus a is minimum when a is median. So at this time, if we take median, at this time it will be minimum. We accordingly define mean deviation from mean as, and so if we are finding mean deviation from mean, it look like, if we are finding from median, it looks like this one. And in for frequency distribution, it looks like, because in this one we are not using frequency, but in this one we are using the frequencies. If we have given in the, suppose that we have a class interval and the frequency, in this one we use the mean deviation for frequency formula. Right now we are finding the value. Example 3, in which mean deviation is here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And for this mean deviation, we have values. We have first find the mean, then after absolute value, then after mean deviation. So this is the mean deviation for the uh, given example. Similarly, we have an example for the frequency distribution. So you can see here how to find it, and we are finding the mean deviation from mean. We are finding the mean deviation from mean. So for this, we will use this formula, sigma fi xi minus x bar upon sigma fi. So we have the value is 1.348. Similarly, we are using the mean deviation from median. In this case, we will find the median, and then we will find the value of. So for this, we have a formula, mean deviation from median, and then we will find the value. Thank you so much. If you require notes, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We provide all type of notes of any subject. Thank you so much.